Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use voice commands on your Samsung The Frame TV. To use voice commands you can only use one Samsung specific assistant which is called Bixby, and to access it you have to press the dedicated button on your remote control, the microphone button, which is located right here. Just press it once, and if it's the first time you press this button, then you're gonna have to set up your Bixby basically by selecting the language for it. And after that, just hold this button down in order to say your command. For example, open Prime Video, and it will launch this application for you. Or maybe go to brightness settings. Open the brightness settings. And then it will also do it for you in most cases, if it can do such thing. I hope that it actually can open the brightness settings for me. Yeah. And right now you can adjust the brightness without actually manually going to your settings menu. And so that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.